Give me. You know what? No. Here. I think this is where I wanted to go with that question. So I'm curious to know what you have to think about what I'm about to ask. So, entrepreneurs. I heard this quote, heard and read this quote after I figured out where it was from in the book, whatever. But there was a quote, and again, it's not perfect. I might butcher it. Sorry, but be close enough to someone to inspire them, but be far enough from someone to maintain the respect. And there's a better way to do it, the ringy like quotes and all that stuff. But essentially, it's like be close enough to somebody that you can inspire them, but be far enough that you can maintain that relationship and that respect. Now, this is something that I witnessed something. I was at an event about a week ago, and this this guy owns a big practice. Basically, he said, I never post that I drink or smoke cigars or anything online. I don't even do that with people around me. I'll do that by myself and in private. How do you feel about I guess that phrase? Because that phrase, it's like, do you see where I'm going?
Yeah, no,
with this?
absolutely. What do I think about that? The phrase is, I absolutely agree with it. As an entrepreneur over the last 10 years, I've gotten too close to some people. And in that too closeness, depending on where their position is, you never really know, and I say too close as in when people are really dependent on you, I realize that people who don't depend on you treat your information slightly different. So for the people who depended on me and who are close into my business and stuff like that, I keep a distance in the things I talk about. I keep a distance in the conversation and what it feels or what they need from me, because anything I do in my personal life or what's happening in my personal life, I keep at a distance from them because they use it against you eventually. They use it for a reason why you shouldn't be the boss and they should be the boss, or they should be doing what you're doing, or they don't need you at all. And it's like the closer you get sometimes to those people you work with, sometimes, right? Depends. It can become a liability.